You might be at Costco right now wondering, is this thing any good? Does it really work? Well, I'm here to tell you the answer is yes, and let me show you the results. So there was a lot of dirt in between the tiles, kind of like this right here. I haven't gotten over here yet. That's the reason why I'm doing this now, because I want you guys to see. This was a lot worse over here. So as you can see, it's working a lot better now. This thing is super easy right out of the box. It's got a charge. Hold down the button there. It really takes 2 hands, but I'm still gonna try to show you how well it works. So that spot right there, okay? I really need both hands, but I promise you it's working. It's working great. Wow, I'm impressed, really. This is just me doing a quick run with the brush and a rinse. I did not even really work on it that hard, but you can already see the difference. Now, I just want to point something out. This tile right here, that stuff you see there, that is from me leaving bleach sitting on it for too long. That was my own stupid mistake, okay? So it damaged the, I guess the finish of it, because some of the ones that are black are the same way. But right now, it's just been rinsed. You can see clearly that this brush does work. I endorse it. Not sure how long it will hold up, but I will tell you this right now. I didn't go up here yet with the brush, okay, by the way. But I will be doing a follow-up review. So if you guys are interested in seeing how long this thing holds up, please come back and check with me in a few months, because I always like to do a follow-up and tell you how things are going later on after the fact. Okay. So this is a dirty tub that I am cleaning. When I sprayed down the cleaner, there were some stains right here, hard water stains that didn't want to come out. Once again, I have nothing to gain by telling you guys this stuff. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. Just showing you how this thing works. I'm going to rinse it out in just a second. We're going to see what it looks like.
Works well.
Yep. Bottom of the tub looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Floor of the tub, I mean?
Yeah.
Not the bottom, the floor. All right, I need to get up here and clean that on the corner.
Mm-hmm. The other corner too.
Yeah.
Not that, yeah, that one.
Yeah. All right. Well, looks good. All right. Okay, now for the details. This was on sale for $39.99 at Costco. I'm not sure when the sale goes off, but I think it may be tomorrow, which would be August 18th that it would go off sale. But just showing you all the details about it here. These are all the brush heads that it comes with. Contrary to what some of you may be thinking, this is not for the toilet, okay? You do not do that. I will show you the attachments right now. But yeah, it's runs just a little bit under 2 hours. It's USB rechargeable. You can extend it to 51 inches. I mean, it's awesome. It's definitely a keeper. I've tried some of these things in the past, and I can't remember the brands that made them, but just some of those, gimmicky motorized, shower cleaners, they never worked. But this one actually works, and I highly endorse it. Let me show you the actual attachments that are in here so you can see them and like what they look like in real life. Oh, and really quick, if you're wondering if you can get this thing wet, you can. It's waterproof, okay? So there's that. But yeah, this bonus ball brush is not for cleaning the toilet. And even if it were, I wouldn't use it for that, because so anyway, here are the things that it comes with, okay? So Comes with these sponge-like things, you see. This one's a little bit more coarse. This is the thing that you put them on, I guess, and use them with. And then here's like a polishing type of thing. It's like a microfiber type of polishing thing. And then, sorry, I'm doing this by myself, people. Here's the brush, because my son, he's just not really interested in being a cameraman. But anyway, you just press on the sides here to put them on. And I mean, the thing is, really, this is one of the, honestly, this has turned out to be one of the best, like, accidental finds that I've had in a while. And like, the funny thing about it is I was going to go to Home Depot and pick up one of those attachments, like from, I'm sorry, the company with the green, where everything is green. But anyway, here's that bonus brush, okay? So I would not put this in the toilet. This is like to get in those corners, you know, get in those hard to reach areas in the shower. This would be great for that, okay? I wouldn't use it for anything else. And it comes with a cable so you can charge it USB-C, okay? So yeah, it's got everything in the box here. Let me back off a little bit so you can see it better. Sorry, the bathroom's a little bit out of sorts right now. My wife isn't here to police it. But I mean, I do what I can to clean it, hence me going and getting this while she's out of town, because I want to make sure when she gets home that it's nice and clean in here, you know? Anyway, once again, this is what I would call a HOTO cordless spin scrubber. Thanks for watching this video. I don't just review cars and computers and technology on here. I review everything. Just in everyday life, consumers have a lot of things that they're faced with, not just cars and phones and computers and stuff like that. I mean, those are definitely the heart of a lot of the things that we do now, but we also have to keep things clean around the house and just deal with all sorts of other things. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, a variety of things, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video out to you soon.